Hello, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's everything seems fine now. So, hello Twitch, I'm back. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, there will be definitely no one actually remember me previously from Twitch there. So, let me introduce myself really quick again. My name is Minisforum, and if you are one of the 6 people that follow me back in the day, I mean from the beginning of this year, then you definitely know me through the what is the name again? What the hell? Minisforum developing stream series where I am sitting and working on my personal anime blog. And I suddenly went offline for a while now, I know. So it is quite many things that already happened, including one big event from my family as well. And I also struggle really bad at the plan to actually going live streaming. So after a while, everything seems to be stable now, and I actually found myself like a pretty damn good time frame in a day where I can continue to sit down and start streaming again. So you are looking at me in a completely new stream series there, which I can say that it makes the Minisforum developing stream series of me a test about what I can do basically. So I also stream on YouTube and on Facebook, on my personal Facebook at the same time, though Twitch is actually, this is the first time I actually returned to Twitch. So for anyone on Twitch, hello, I am happy to see you back then, and I am also happy to see you right here today. So this is for Twitch users, right? We still use English as the main languages, and of course you are wondering what the heck is Corridor 211. Well, that name of the stream is actually my commitment, because basically, okay, let me actually give you a very quick introduce about this channel. So this is another take of me on going live stream and making my name out there so the world can know more about who I am and what I am currently doing. The Corridor 211 is actually a stream series. That name is actually a random name, but also not so random. I honestly, I'm not like having a solid plan for building Corridor 211 yet, and I know that it will actually turn off some of you already, though because of that, Corridor 211 at this age will go a little bit random. So we will do quite many different activities on stream. I am talking about, and not limited to, developing, work sessions, some gaming, maybe just some sitting there and chat, and maybe doing some working session where I decorated my desk with something beautiful. Hopefully it's totally beautiful enough, right? Just making some content and upload it on the Corridor 211 YouTube channel as well. Though there's one thing that all of those activities have in common, and that is all of the activities will end before or at Corridor 211 PM. That is the name of the stream that I came up with, and I am really happy that I can actually build like quite, to me it's actually quite simplicity and also quite good looking logo there. So credit to me, I guess. Okay, so I think that you can actually see on the stream now. I actually need to quickly check the stream if it went well or not. But yeah, you can actually see up there we have a countdown clock there. That countdown clock is actually counting down to 11 p.m. So when it reaches 0, we end the stream. That's it. And yeah, that is pretty much that I want to say. So and I think you will quite confused about the label of the stream, right? So let me introduce it a bit. That I actually do some stream sessions on Facebook and on YouTube as well, mainly because this proof of concept development is actually about something that is related to my work as a catechist at my church. So I hope back then that I can get some feedback from my church catechist as well, especially the one who working with me in the same grade, to see if the design or the requirement is good enough. Though I'm not receiving any, so I guess that's good, right? And that took me 4 sessions to get to what we have in here. So let me actually show you what we already have after 4 sessions. And also the stream looking pretty good, so I think that's a plus, maybe. Okay, so I actually need to open something now. No, not OBS. I'm currently running it. I want to open this one. Yeah, I hope that you can see on screen pretty well, but this is my Obsidian. Yeah, I am also in the journey of building my personal vault, my personal knowledge system management as well. So I am currently using Obsidian and I love this software really much. But what I want you to see is actually those two. So everything here, sorry, it is in Vietnamese, I know, but because the main users of the system will be Vietnamese, so it's good. So basically I know it's good, but that is basically why the main reason why I say in the description that I will need to use Vietnamese in the stream if there is anything come up. So don't worry, I will update you if that's happened about what I was talking and interacting with. And of course I may want to stay silent at some times when I actually need to focusing and maybe let you chill a bit. Yeah, and this is what we achieved. So some mock-ups that I come up with, like I have no idea about mobile UI design before, and somehow it took me 4 sessions to make things get to this point. So I am pretty happy. I am pretty much happy about myself already. Yep, that is it. So basically the short stream, I know it is short and I actually need to find a way to control my time a little bit, so please wait for me a sec. I need to get my tablet really quick. Oh, where's my tablet actually? There. And because it is right there, which means I am now having a preview of my stream and some way to control it as well, though I actually need to plug it in. Hold on a second. My phone is actually full of battery, but my tablet is so I kind of need to clean up. And this is what that is pretty good. Yeah. My charger. Yeah, I actually have a charging station on the table there. Oh, and by the way, from the last time Twitch, from the last time you see me, you can see that I am in a completely different place, right? It is not my bedroom downstairs anymore because I make a pretty hectic project to move every single thing work related from my bedroom up here on this room. So now we actually have a pretty good space there. I have a big projector screen there that I can see, and this is off camera, but right there I have my projector. So this room here becomes a multi-purpose room where I can coming up every single evening after work. I can come up here and chill with you, streaming like this, or I can come up here and watch anime for the whole evening. So this is basically something like my man cave. That's right. So we are in a pretty good shape, and I think that is a pretty good thing, right? At least to me. Yeah. All right. So I know. Okay, I have my stream preview here, and it's looking pretty good. I actually hope that I'm not using that much bandwidth there because I actually need to check it. Yeah, it seems that I am only sending 80 megabyte per second. No, not 80, sorry, about 8 megabyte. 8 to 10 megabyte per second. Mega or me. What is M lower IB/S? I don't remember the name. It's not megabyte, it is maybe byte or something like that. Okay, never mind, but basically things are good. The stream looks good, everything is well done. So yeah, that is pretty beautiful things there. Yes, okay, that's it. All right, so I actually want to stream today because we actually will do something that is related to technical a bit. So not designing anymore, but we will prepare our development environment today. So I will actually talk on the way where I preparing things there. So if you want to have some question to ask, please just write it in the chat. I hope that it works, and I actually have a chat preview in front of me there. So I hope it works. If you are watching, then maybe you can actually help me to test if the chat is actually working or not. So I am appreciate that. Okay, so let's set up our environment env, right? Our environment env. What the heck I'm talking about? Okay, our development environment. Nice. Nailed it. Okay, so I will basically want to set up something first. I kind of already have Docker. I was thinking about going with Podman, but maybe I will have it like I will play around with it in another stream, or maybe in another things there. Someone messaged me. Yeah, someone messaged me. Yeah. She messaged me on Messenger, not on the chat. Thank God for that. That is a message that I don't actually want everyone to see on the chat there, but don't worry, it is still fine. It is still fine. Okay, so I actually kind of want to veer away from Docker, but it seems that I already have Docker installed, so that's fine, I guess. So I am thinking about sticking with Docker, though I might try to install Podman on the system as well. The only thing that I am afraid is Docker and Podman will conflict with each other in some ways that I don't really want it to. So maybe I will play safe. Okay, now I actually want to have Python installed because that will be something that I will use to write up our API. And for the front end, I want to go with Vue. I just can't decide yet that I want to use Vite or use Nuxt.js or something else. So, but basically we will need to setting up Node. And the thing is, I actually want to have like a way to switch between the other versions of the tool there. So I will not install them in a normal way. I mean from a package manager of the system or not. No, I will not do that. But I will use this tool instead, and I actually know this tool for a while now. If you follow me back then, when I am still doing the Minh Hickory developing stream series there, then you absolutely saw me use this tool already. So this tool is called ASDF, and this tool is basically a multiple runtime version manager that can help you to manage all your runtime versions with one tool. So basically, if you know Node, you know NVMe. If you know Python, you know the Python kind of having a tool for you to use to managing the Python version on the machine. If you into Ruby, then you also have some tool to do that as well. That's fine, but the only problem with that is you will definitely need to learn many tools with different command lines. Yeah. So to me that is too many. Thankfully I found this one. So basically this one, you can say that it acts like a wrapper between all those tools, and then expose those with a very powerful plugin system and a single system of command line that you need to use. So that is actually better for me. So let's get started. 54 minutes left. Okay, let's copy this. I actually want to switch up my how I sit there a bit. Yes, that's fine. Beautiful. All right. Now let's paste it in and install that. And we already know that we have ASDF installed. So the thing is, normally you will actually need to do, since if you use bash or use ZSH, then you will actually need to add those things inside as well, like in your .zsh or C file here at your home folder here. The thing is, I am using all my ZSH, and I already configured the plugin for ASDF before all of this, because I know for sure that I need to use the tool. So maybe I don't actually need to do those, and if I load it up again and go ASDF, you could see that it is recognized correctly by the system. So that's it. Okay, that's beautiful. So we have ASDF now. Now we come to install. So now I will basically use ASDF to install Python and Node.js. And I know that Node.js is one of the first party plugin. There we go. We already have those, so I only need to copy this, open another terminal and paste it in. That's done. So now if I go to ASDF Node.js list. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it's been a while since I used the tool, so I completely forgot. We have list on and the name of the module. Okay, ASDF list on Node.js. So this will list all of all the available versions for Node.js for us. and I prefer to use the LTS version, which I think that 2020, yeah, this is 22.11.0 is actually one. So let me check real quick. Node.js, what is the latest? That is the one. So right here you can see long-term support version 22.11.0. So I will do that. AFDF install Node.js 22 and using the autocomplete .11.0. Wait a bit for it to run. Okay, that's beautiful. So I have Node.js. I still need to do one more thing. ASDF. Hold on. I actually want to set up this. Oh, global. Okay, ASDF global node. That one. Okay, so if I close this one and open another one, you will see that if I go node -v, then we have that one installed. If we have npm -v, we have npm 10.9.0 to be installed as well. That's fine. Now, Python. Okay. Python, and I know Python is actually a community plugin. Here. Yeah, we have a list here. Let's search for Python. Yeah, we have it. Python, and Python is actually using dependencies. PNV Python build, which means I actually want to make sure that all of the dependencies of this one to be installed, which I remember that back then I found something from PYNV, right? No. Wait, hold on. Wait, Python build dependency. There we go. I saw that somewhere here. Here we are. And we actually have a command here for Arch Linux that we can use. And as you can see, I am currently using Endeavors, which is a Linux distribution that is based on Arch. And as you can see, that Arch is actually the most simple one here. Because we have base Devo already, I think we already have OpenASL, and like every single thing that we already need here is like they are on here already. If you are looking at the other one, you will see that Ubuntu and Debian actually miss very much, and that is a thing with Linux, because I remember that I tried back then, like some years ago, ASDF and PYENV on Ubuntu on one of the machines on my own company, and it turns out that like Ubuntu actually missing quite many things that like the Python binary that was built by PYENV at the time was completely not completed and not usable, at least for my project at that time. So I actually need to do and that is before I actually found this one. So found this page, know this info. Okay, I actually need to run a little sudo here. Beautiful. So we only have this one TK need to be updated. That's fine. So that is done. We can now add Python to ASDF. Yes, it is. Okay, Python 8. Now let's go with, yeah, ASDF. This on Python. I actually want to use the latest one, but let's see if that is a good idea or not. 47 minutes. The latest version of Python that we will work with will be, I actually need to console up a bit more. Holy crap, that is very many. Oh wow, okay. Okay, I am quite confused now. What is yeah, what is Python doing? Hold on. What is Python doing? Hold on. The latest one is 3.13. This is the latest one. So this is the stable release of 3.13. What is T? And yeah, I am a little bit confused. What is the dev here is understandable. What is the T here? What's that difference? Oh, so it is optional, an optional experiment support for free threading. I don't know what the heck that is, but it seems that it should not be the one I am using, because it's just because this word experimental. No, I will use 3.13.0. So ASDF install Python 3.13.0. Man, the music is actually pretty good to my ears. Like it's chilling, and I absolutely know it is from Zelda, because I actually like know the series quite well. Not that well to the point that I can call me a master, but yeah, the music is actually bang on. Oh, and for your information, the music is actually from the Zelda tape album from Game Jumps. I actually put a link down there, so go ahead and check it and check them out. The thing and a good thing about that is they are allowed to use their music on stream as well. So I am pretty happy about that. Yeah, they basically allowed to use the music on stream and in YouTube video as well, with the condition that I need to give boom on their page. So that's why you see a small session there, but go check that out, especially if you are a gamer. You will definitely love that. Oh wow, OBS lost something. Hold on a second. Yeah. Did we? Hold on. Yeah, I would say that we just suffer a little bit of hiccups there. Yeah, everything seems fine now. It seems fine now. Services. This is a bit quite much. This is a bit too much. I hope that it is not that much. Holy. Yeah. And the worst thing is I am actually on Wi-Fi all the time. So yeah, I am currently using Wi-Fi on my mini PC. So a little bit scared. I am a little bit afraid on that one, and that's why I don't actually want to put anything that is like too much on the processor and also too much on my internet bandwidth. So this is something. Yes. Okay, so Python is installed. Let me actually check it. We have Python. Oh, I completely forgot the ASDF global. what is DG global Python and that version. Yes, so now Python is actually installed. Nice. Yes, right. Okay. Now I still want to use VS Code for coding, so let me actually install that really quickly. And I actually know that I actually need to install that in Yay. So maybe wait, hold on. Let me actually search for it really quick. Like maybe it is in the official repository. So Visual Studio Code. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Sorry, I still need to get it in here. Oh, the CLI as well. Oh wow. Yes, apply. And we'll wait for it. Oh, I actually need to my password. Hold on. Okay. And it is doing that now. I hope the download from GitHub will actually not taking too much time, because if it is, then I think we're in a big trouble. We have how many? 40 minutes left. Okay. Okay, somehow I know that I actually need to have a clock that is counting down, so I can actually check how much time do I actually left on the stream there. Yeah, it might be a pretty good idea to do that. But yeah, I can just look at the clock down here. Oh, you're actually not seeing that on stream, right? Because what you are currently seeing is on a secondary stream and not the first, not the primary one. So you will basically not see a what again? A panel. A panel. That's what Bochi call it. A panel. And on that panel is a clock. But you already have a clock on stream, so that's fine. Okay, this take a little bit too long to my liking. Yep. Actually, what speed is that? I need to check. Hold on a second. So let me actually use what the heck? I actually want to see how much time it is taking. What speed we are currently looking here? Oh no, that is okay. Oh no. Oh, I don't like this at all. Wait. Yeah, that speed is absolutely not looking good. It is not looking good at all. Wait. Oh no. Oh yeah, we will need to sit here for 12 minutes. Oh yeah, what can I do in that 12 minutes though? Holy. Oh wow, that is actually coming down. Wow. Okay. Yeah, is that bad? It is pretty bad. It is pretty bad. Oh, that is from GitHub, right? Hold on. Is there any way that I can just okay. I actually want to accelerate that, so let's see if there's anything that I can do. So we have AUR, we have, yeah, oh, that, yeah, I can just sit here and let it run and let it continue to run, but that speed is not looking good at all. Yeah, it's actually come down to, oh, I don't want to disrupt this. Oh, come on, come out from me, please. Thank God for that. Yeah, 24M. That is not looking good at all. So yeah, we're basically sitting here waiting for VS Code to be downloaded. I think that is every single thing that we can do now. Oh my, I should have installed that from the get-go. Holy. Yeah, it went pretty bad. Oh yeah. There's one thing that I can do, that I can actually plug my phone in, share the Wi-Fi connection from my phone to the PC. The thing is, I will nuke the stream completely. I know that. So there's basically nothing that we can actually do now. That's quite much. Yes. The code workspace we have. Yeah, this one took a while. Yeah, I know that I am complaining quite much, but what can I do more now? I cannot do anything more, right? Oh. Yeah, let's just sit here and chill with the music, like say. Oh wait, I know. When that thing's happening, why don't we actually look at something useful that we can actually use? Oh yeah. So we basically can look at something that I may want to be used, and I actually mess up things there pretty badly. But when that's happened, I will update you on the process as much as I can. Well, let me actually looking at something first. First, I am planning to use Flash for our back-end service. Why Flash? Because I already have experience with it before. It has been like a little more than 3 years now since the last time I actually touching Flash and Python. So and the thing is, at that time with me, Flash and Python is actually really easy to use. So in case that I actually want to do this fairly quickly, I am thinking that I will use Flash for the thing, mainly for become familiar with it again. As well, Alchemy, I will use this as well. This is an ORM system, And from the last time now until now, we already have version 2.0, so that is something that happened. Yeah, that is something pretty good happened for this project as well. So I will use as well Alchemy. With the fact that I know the library is really powerful, since it's actually get me the chances to do some very advanced thing, like I can actually watch the change on the model and then generating the change log for the application that I built back then as well. So that is a pretty hectic. So that function is pretty hectic one. Oh, and I also need to talk about its transaction system. Like, it will auto start the transaction for you every single time when you make, like, it by default it will automatically and implicitly start a transaction for you when you actually do something with the database, but it still gives you the control of when and where you want to commit that. So you still have control on that, which is really good. Yeah, it will not automatically commit it like the stack that I'm currently working with. I am looking at you. Yeah. Okay. At least that is something that I can say about SQL Alchemy. I like it and I will definitely use it. And you know that why not the Django? The Django is more similar and more familiar with Python, and it is more feature pack and also more standard. And to that I would say, yeah, I know, but that is also what I don't like about the Django, because it is not pure enough, and it is, and Flux, to me, I feel that Flux is actually another Express.js. I love Express.js when I work there with Node.js, mainly because it is small, it is fast, and it's also very bare bones, so I can do anything that I want with it. I can actually take the chance to learn some more library and implemented that by myself into Express.js. Flux also got me the same feeling and the same experience as well, but with Python. And that's it. For the database, yeah, Postgres is the one to go. And I will absolutely go with Postgres because, like, in the future, we might have the chance to how can I say that, to transfer the system. Like, we have multiple systems and we need to link the the data between them, or moving the data between them. And with that, I would say that the UUID native support from Postgres will absolutely help on those cases. Oh, I have a good news for you. The download is done and I can actually install VS Code now. Yay! 2814. Hello, Sean. How are you? I hope you have a good night. A good evening, actually. Yeah, what did I say about that? So basically, I will go with Postgres. That's fine. For the front end, I will absolutely go with Vue, though not pure Vue. I am currently thinking about Node.js. Okay, let's not say about the framework. Let's not say about the framework. I want to say about, of course, I'm not building everything from scratch, right? So I will use this UI library called PrimeView. I know PrimeView for a while, and I actually really happy to use it because, like, This is one of the most complete and mature component library that I use for a while now. Prime View actually being built up by the same guys of Prime Faces. So if you use Java back then you definitely know Prime Face, right? I hope. We also have Angular, we also have Vue, and we also have React version of this one, but because I love Vue, so we go with Vue.js. I don't feel really comfortable when working with React, because like React try to write every single thing in JavaScript. That can be fine with some people, but to me, I still like how Vue differentiate them and still separating things that I need to write, the logic, the style, the layout of the page so basically I still use HTML as HTML, I still use JavaScript as JavaScript, and I still use CSS as CSS, and not like combine it oddly in React. That's my personal take. I know that very many of you will disagree with me, but that's how it goes. You cannot stop me on that one. Okay, so inside here it tells me that it can go with Nux or can go with White. So the thing that I still cannot decide yet is what will I use between those. So for this one, for this PoC I might use Vi, but for the main one maybe I will change up to Nux. I use Nux for a while, and at least I know that there's some problem with Nux that I still cannot overcome. Hopefully Vi will resolve that. So what is Vi actually? This is just a tooling for next generation frontend. Oh, that's fine. Okay, beautiful. Yep, that basically it for all of our stuff here. And of course, I will try to run it on the server with Docker. Sorry, with container. Docker is just a tool set, and I remember that I said previously to you that I am still thinking about the chance that I am trying Podman instead. Alright, so that is good. And when we talk, VS Code actually want to install already. So let's open that, and it's still bare bones. So I actually want to personalize VS Code a bit. So let's see about what I can do here. First, definitely material theme. No, not material. One dark theme. I love this theme so much. One dark Pro. I actually in love with this theme and this color from Adam, and I'm really happy that it is here. And this is one of the most comfortable font and color scheme that I am looking at. Second, I want to use the material icon theme. No, not this one. Wait, is that? Hold on. That is the one. I wait until I see the logo to confirm that this is the one that I usually go with, so that's fine. So we have material icon, we have one dark Pro, that's fine. I actually still miss something. If you are saying the font, then you are correct. I actually have a personal font that I really like to use, and that font is also really friendly with developers, so I am taking a chance to install that now. That font should be Fira Code. Oh, come on. Repository. We have it. We have it here. We have it here. We can go either, right? So Fira code is good, but in AUR we actually have, no, we don't have not, oh no, not from Fira node. We actually have not from the version of Fira code as well. No. No, it seems not. It's not here. Holy. Okay. You know what? If it's not, then we will take it into our hands. So node fonts. Download. And we actually find Fira. Okay, well, if I say nerd font, do we have anything here? Nerd. I want to find a nerd. Droid nerd. Fira mono nerd. Fira mono nerd. Hold on. Fira code. Oh, thank God for that. Oh, I found that. Okay. Official repo also. That's good. Nice. We're done. We do not need to install that manually. Whew. Okay. Close it and open that again. Nice. Now I actually want to go into the settings and search the setting for font. And I want to say Fira code nerd. Right. I don't know if it will work or not, but wait, hold on. Oh, come on. What did I do? Is it Fira? It seems so. Let me actually turn on something from ligatures. True. And I actually want to do one more. Editor. Font weight. And I will say 500 here. This is Fira code, right? Hold on, let me actually check. Okay. Font. Oh my. Yeah, I actually need the name of the font now. That is funny. Yeah. I actually need to know the name of the font now. Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. I have an idea. Because I have font ligatures turned on, and I know for sure that all of those fonts, only Fira code node actually have font ligatures only. So I can actually quickly open one, and that's still not it. No, it is not. It is still not, because if this is Fira code, then you will definitely see something else. Okay. Hold on a second. Gedit. I am struggling now really badly. Nope. Fira. Oh, maybe I actually need to get it. Medium. I think I will need to say Fira code not font for it to work. Okay. So let's go back to VS Code here. So one more. Yep, there we go. And this is the font ligatures that I am talking about. So 3 equals will need to display like that. So the thing work correctly, and oh, I love this form so much. Okay, we have figure code, we have everything that we need to. So let's actually do some quick coding now. I actually have 16, means that. Okay, so let's go here to that is all of my stream resources. Dang it, I need something here. Okay, let's create a folder, and who do that using that menu, right? My dear projects and cd project. I want to make there student management system PoC cd, right? Now let me go and making directory as student mac PoC. This is backend, and calling the other one front end. Now front end is actually quite easy. I actually will need to change something first because the default application is, oh, it is still correct. Nice. I was thinking that it's actually changed unexpectedly, but yeah, it's fine. So open this one, cd student minimum for. I actually want to configure the front end first because that is easier. Let's go code, and we are currently inside that as well. I want to trust everyone because it's me. Okay, so that's done. I can open one of this one, and before actually going on, I want to look at the setup first. Oh wait, there is a tool that I want to install first, PNPM. So this is basically something else that I use for a while now to do the package management for anything Node.js related. So I will continue to use that, and I actually need to install that now. Oh yeah, we have it. Yep, go here. That is beauty. Oh, it is resuming as well. Okay, PNPM init. Can I init that? Okay, let's start correctly now. So go for vibe. Okay, prime view is available further on npm registry. PNPM add prime view. Is that simple? Is it simple like that? Oh really? Okay, let me go. PNPM install. No, PNPM init. Actually, I want to init this first. Oh, that's very quick. This should be MIT, right? Okay. Now let's install that one. PNPM. Hold on, I actually need to install Vibe first, right? Hold on, wait, maybe I am messing up already. Getting started. Oh, Webboon here also. Oh yeah, I knew it. I messed up. Hold on a second. Oh, I messed up. Sorry, I messed up. Ah, no, not those. I actually need to create this first. Wait. View, I know. I want to go JavaScript only. Holy crap. Ah, I hate this. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, I go a little bit too fast. So let's copy this name. Delete that. Don't need that anymore. We are going now in PNPM. Create void, right? Yeah, that is correct. Actually, let me copy that inside really quickly. Wait, no. Yes, and that is the project name. View and JavaScript. That's it. So let's see the inside and open that in code. Beautiful. Now we have to do pnpm install that's quick. And npm run dev, right? npm run dev, and that should be it. Wow, that part is really strange there. So localhost 5173. Oh wow, we have something here. So this is void and this is view. Void plus view count is what is the summer? Okay, but that work. That is the first setup for void, and I can actually do this with prime view as well. So we basically can actually add that in. That is, which is really good. Okay. Okay, I think that is good for the front end now. So let's save it and close the front end. Now time for the back end. The back end will be a bit different since we will use Flash. So let me try to see in the next 9 minutes we can actually do this installation. So I actually need to have an environment. So let's follow this one now. Open this one. So I will go for Python minus mvenv.venv. So this is for creating a virtual environment. That is fine, and I can actually wow, what is this? Oh, that's fine. That's good. VNV is not active, and now we go pip is too fast. Okay, hold on. Stop here a bit. I know that I kind of having a package management for Python as well. I cannot remember the name, so let me try to do it. Python package manager. We have conda, we have, it's not conda, it's not pip as well. Pip is answer. Okay, what is pip? I know there is something that is really similar to Why people hate Python package manager? Poetry right now. This I did not use poetry at that time. I cannot remember the name of the Python package manager that I used back then. I still use pip for installing the core one. But the thing is, I remember that there is something else. Something else that I used back then. It's not Conda. I can be sure for you. Conda is actually not the one that I used back then. This is poetry. This is hatch. Oh, what the heck? What this is? This is hatch. This is PDM Ryo. Ensure pip Conda poetry pip. It will get into here, and I don't actually want to do that because it is actually there is a better one. That is a better one. There is a better one that I used back then, and I cannot remember the name. Oh no. Hold on. 4 minutes. Oh, I actually need to speed up now. Yes. Use passkey. I know there is a passkey. Beautiful. There must be something related to that. Wait, hold on. I think I found it. Wait, this is FA. I know this is one of the old projects that I used to do back then, and it's actually failed for your information. There should be something related to that. Pip file. Pip file.log. This is pip file.log. What the heck is this? Tool version, Docker file, pip file.log. Wait, did I just use pip back then? Wait, hold on. It's not correct. It's not correct. It's not correct at all. It is not correct at all. It is not correct at all. Wait. We actually have a workflows there. Dev build and deployed. Let me actually look at this one and see what I am currently doing inside here. I log into Docker. It is just deployed. It is just built. It is just tagging the latest image. Oh, okay. This is Flash env. That is a completely different thing. Ah, remember it now. Pip env. Pip env. Wait there. It is still a thing. It is still a thing. It is still a thing. Yes. And this is actually being based on something at Flash as well. So, yep. Let's go with that. Pip install user pip env. I actually in love with this back then. So paste. You know what? Let's just install pip env. Ah, finally found it. Okay, which is done. And if I go back to Flash here, then I can just go pip env install Flash. and if we actually lock the thing inside here as well, it is locking. Yeah, this is definitely the one that I am being familiar with back then. We have flash, we have pip5.lock there. Nice. And that's it for the thing. Now we will definitely need to work with the backend first next time, so at least let me, on the next stream, I will try to get a hello world root up here, and then setting and doing something with Flask before we really jump in and design the database, and also playing around with something Docker related, container related as well with Docker, hopefully. So I think we are achieving our goal today. We have all of the tools that we need for developing the PoC setup. We already in it, the backend and the front end. Not really writing something yet, but we already implement and install some library already. So next time it will only be shortly. It will be a very short time, so I can actually write something and actually spawn the backend app using Python. And I hope that I am still like Python is still my friend after all of those years. So it is now 10:45, which is quarter to 11. So thank you very much, especially for anyone who watched me on Twitch. This is the first time I return to the platform, and I hope that you can still give me the support that I need to continue pushing what I'm currently doing now. The clock is now clocked at 0, and I will see you everyone here in the next stream. Bye.